Lagos High School Music Challenge. Are you a secondary school student or music teacher of a school with band? Take advantage of the Lagos High School Music Challenge to showcase your talent today. Open to solo acts, groups, and bands that can play live music. Visit www.lhsbconline.com. That's www.lhsbconline.com to register your participation today. Earn a spot on Lagos High School Music Challenge stage today and win fantastic prizes. Let's revive the band culture in Nigeria. Lagos High School Music Challenge. Registration is free.
Oyibo, Ekolowa Oyibo, Oyibo, why you speaking Oyibo? Oyibo, you dey Lagos Oyibo.
Welcome to the commissioning of the newly procured equipment for the structuring of public works corporation and urban regeneration in the state.
I hereby, on behalf of His Excellency the Governor of Lagos State, commission for the use of Lagosians and for the progress and regeneration of the entire landscape.
The road printer can pave road between 6 and 8 meters.
Ìtẹ̀síwájú Èkó làwọn tèmi wá. It never finish, ọlọ́pàá don get new motor.